In this video, I'll show you how you can contact the Shopify support. So simply head over to admin.shopify.com, click on your store and go to the Help Center. Once you're in here, you can have some pre-made questions. So these are like the small guides and tutorials. So if you have a question about your account, first I suggest you press on your account and read these through. However, if you want, you can also chat with their AI bot. But if you want to contact a real person at customer support, what you have to do is scroll down here, press contact support, and it's going to type this in. And they're going to ask, we can connect you to a support advisor, but we might be able to ask your questions more quickly here. And then you just want to tell them, I want to contact a support advisor, and the bot is going to send you through to the advisor instead of the AI. So that is how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.